that's where you're meeting this person. But like I said, I don't feel like this is yeah, I don't feel like this was romantic, and the universe is kind of pushing you to let love in and allow this person to date you and see, you know, what's going on with this person. We have the flexible card. So I feel like this person has more time, or they're more flexible. Like maybe you guys, you know, you were, I feel like I have to sneeze. Maybe this person played sports in high school, so they didn't have very much downtime. They didn't have time to really like go to parties and, excuse me. Thank you if anyone said bless you, but yeah.